So finally, the last module of this patch, that is use employee agents to get the work done. You have to simply open it. One more suggestion I wanted to share, that make sure you follow the sequence, because if you miss any sequence, chances are there you may face some error and it will take around 72, maybe up to a week for the playground to get reset, and then only you'll be able to complete it. So just follow the sequence. It's very easy. Hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes for completion. Okay, for all these things I wanted to say. Now you have to come down over here, click on the challenge and just launch it. Now come above, and from here come to the time to rewind, and from here just scroll down. Now we have to open the Coral Cloud Resort app. So from this app launcher, you can type it also if it is not visible, and just click on it. So let me just open it. From here, Agentforce button will be there. You have to click on it. If it is not there, just refresh it and try again after some time. Make sure you have followed and enabled the Agentforce agent also. Now from here, we have to update the agent from guest to general agent. So from here, just select the general agent and it will be updated. Now come down over here, and first thing what you have to do, you have to copy this and simply paste over here, hit enter. So it's just generating the output over here. Now after that, you have to just come down over here, just copy it, simply paste it over here. And then, okay. Just paste another one. First of all, just select any of these bookings and simply click on submit. Then you have to just copy the book a new session. So just copy it, just paste over here. You can see the previous one has been cancelled. So it is also done. Okay. Now what we have to do, book it for Maiko family. Just come down over here and just click on check the challenge score, because we have already completed it. And this is how we completed the entire module. You can always navigate to the channel and check the playlist, and other opportunities are also there in the channel. And thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and goodbye. So yes, we are getting this error. So let's fix it. 2:30 p.m. Okay. So it's booked only. 2:30 p.m. has been successfully booked. So let's see whether the score is updated or not. Sometimes it may take some time. We can't verify. Okay. So we have to cancel it also. Okay. So just cancel it. 173. Just paste it. 73. Okay. So it's different one. You can just open the booking directly also. Let's come above, and from here just copy it, paste over here. So the number they have clearly mentioned over here, that is okay, 23231. So this one, okay, I think this one only. So we have to just update it to cancel. So it's confirmed. We have to just make it cancelled. Update it is cancelled. Just save it. So now it is updated. In this way also you can update it. Okay. Now let's try to check the score. We can't find any booking for the family. I think there is some glitches. So let's book it up also. Let's redo the steps. And after that, I think we have to book it also because I think due to some conflict, it has been deleted. Okay, so booking has been successful. Now we have to check the score. So this is the best part of the error. If we get, we are able to resolve it also through directly, so that if you also face this issue, you can easily complete it. So this is how we completed the entire module. Thank you. Have a great day.